All right, this is the scooter here, in case you're wondering. Or this is part 2 of this thing. This is a Free Boy, if you can see that. It's a Free Boy J11 Max. This is what this is. You can get it off TikTok for about 500. I'm gonna make a detour because I need to get some blunt wraps. So we're gonna go to a liquor store, and then we'll go head back to the house. This is gonna be risky because I never did this far, but you know, whatever. Let's do this. We unlock it here. 3, 4. I gotta turn it on. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should be on. Yep, we ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna go across the way. Oh fuck, that burnt the fuck out of me. In case you guys didn't see the previous video, it is 104 degrees out here, and I'm riding this scooter as an experiment to see if I can do this, handle my day shit in super hot weather. I'm carrying everything on this scooter on a backpack. I need to get across this street to get to my regular spot. So y'all just riding with me so I can get across the street. Then when I get across the street, I'm gonna go ahead and get my blunt wraps. I know some people are like, why don't you just go to a regular place? This place got the best ones for me. I like the Royal Blue blunts. I don't like Swisher Sweets too much. I mean, I'll take them if I ain't got nothing else. Backwoods is too harsh. I know y'all heard that from so many people. I agree with them. The shit is harsh. But if I was, as a last resort, I'll take a backwood. But if I had my choice, I like this Royal Blues that I'd be going with. Oh, wait a minute. I can't go. Damn. Well, it looks like I might have to skip this part of the place because I misjudged where the place is at. I thought it was like further down, like right where I'm at right now. But it's actually, what I meant to say, it's further down and around town. So I'm gonna head back towards the house, even though I went down further than I expected. Well, I guess the video will be a little longer. Whatever. So I gotta get on the. I'm on the sidewalk here. I'm going to wait for that crosswalk. And look at this, another scooter person. That's dope. We'll just wait here. Yeah. Hot out here, ain't it? Oh my God. Last time I checked, it's 104 degrees. Trust me, we are not racing her, because if we did, I already know what kind of scooter she got. I'd blow her out of the water with this thing. Now this thing ain't no crazy fast speed, but it's good enough to get around, I tell you that much. As you can tell right now, I'm in a carpool lane, but I'm flying like a motherfucker. 32 miles per hour, I don't know if you can see it. 34. It's 104 degrees. I'm doing 150, yeah, right. I'm doing 34 miles per hour. Look at that. Not too far from catching that car. I know I'm putting too much on it, but I like riding this motherfucker. Even though this is wild doing it at 100 degrees. I'm still going 34 miles per hour next to cars. Woo! What the fuck? Hope that don't fuck with my tire. Shit. I don't know what the fuck I just hit. Hope it ain't fucking on my tire. If it is, shout out to the guy who always fixes my tires. I forgot the name of your business, but I will be plugging it in there soon. Man, he gave me the deals. I tell you what, when it comes to scooter tires being flat and you got to buy a new one, I buy new ones all the time. Well, not all the time. At least every 6 to 8 months since I bought this thing. This is like my 3rd tire now. But anyway, that's because I ride this motherfucker everywhere. Anyway, so The place that I go to, surprisingly, is in Elk Grove, and I know most people in Sac were like, you must be paying a grip for that tire. Be honest with you, his prices is better than anybody in Sac that I've seen. When it comes to repairing tires or inner tubes and shit like that, I couldn't find anybody for this scooter under $120 to get it fixed. Man, I go to, that man charged like $80, $88, something like $88. I'd rather pay $88 to get my shit fixed, and I'd rather pay that than paying $120, which is the average price of most place to get your scooter refixed. Now I'm really holding up this, hoping this this all goes through. Right now I'm about to do 34 miles per hour in the dog park area. This is why I usually always walk my dogs. Woo! It's not shaking as much, even though I'm going fast as fuck. I think I got it angled right this time, I think. Hope this looks as fast as it feels, because the mileage per hour don't look that fast. It's like 34, that ain't nothing. But when you're on a scooter, oh yeah, you feel that shit. I made it, y'all. I made it all the way across. It's still 104 degrees. It's hot as shit. I can't wait to get back in this house. Whew, shit. Like, subscribe, and share this shit if you give a damn. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.
Never gonna give a fuck. Never gonna give a damn. Never gonna understand. So far.